This is an Okamoto Accugar 124, which is a 12 by 24 inch surface grinder. This is a 12-inch wheel. It'll take 14-inch wheels. I put this one on and dressed the edge of it to do some undercuts in some angle plates. So I'm going to change the wheel, so I thought I'd do a short video on it. There's the wrench, and this is the removing tool, and this is a nut. It's a left-handed thread. So all I do is put this wrench out here and smack it. And then I thread this in. This hub is threaded. The ID is threaded. So this just goes in and pushes against that hub, or the spindle shaft, spindle arbor. And it doesn't take much to pop it off. There's the edge I found on that, just to do some undercuts. And this is the wheel I'm putting back on. This was on there already, so I just wiped the bore out, the taper of it. Make sure this is clean. This one's getting pretty low. I'll use this another, I'll go another inch on this probably. This started out as a 14-inch wheel, so I do a lot of grinding. This runs most every day. I can run this while I'm scraping. It's all automatic. So I just give it a couple. And that's it. Normally I would close this guard and fire it up, but here we go. Oops, wrong button. That feels pretty smooth. Thanks for watching.